I'm Mike Caravelli. I'm an orthopedic surgeon here in Central Oregon at the center. I specialize in musculoskeletal care of patients and a subspecialty in caring for osteoarthritis and total joint replacement of the lower extremities, including the hip and the knee. I moved to Bend back in 2010, at which time I was starting my career. I did my residency training and med school at Northwestern University in Chicago, which is where I grew up. After that, I spent 1 year at the University of California at San Francisco, where I had the opportunity to work with Drs. Kevin Bozick, Mike Reese, and Tad Vale to focus on specialty training and the reconstruction of knees and hips, both in the setting of doing an initial knee replacement, but also having the opportunity to reconstruct and revise knee replacements and hip replacements that required additional surgery. So I moved in 2010 to Central Oregon because it was a wonderful place to raise a family. At that time, our kids were 2 years old and 4 years old, and have had a wonderful time being here in Central Oregon and watching them grow up, and I think they've had a pretty awesome time here. Central Oregon is a wonderful place to practice medicine because it has a lot of technically very well-trained individuals practicing medicine and a lot of opportunity to see healthcare change and improve and reform, which is something that is happening all over the country at this time. Being in Central Oregon provides a really good opportunity for this because we're kind of isolated and we have an opportunity to identify how we can all work together to provide a better service and a higher value to patients in the medical care that we provide.